Example of a character. Can't say. Sit down. So example of a character is simply A, B, C, all these are characters. But to store them in the computer memory, you have to keep them in this single quote and you have to write like this. Okay, you have to write char x is equal to A, right? This is a printable character. There are some non-printable characters. Anybody can say what is a non-printable character? Example, backslash B for backspace, backslash N for new line, backslash N for new line. This is also a character, but two letter it is. It has two. Okay, one is backslash, another is N. So that can be stored in another variable. So you have a list here having some non-printable characters list. Okay, and then you have you are not opening which page you are opening? Page number 54. Okay, 54. So in the 54 you see, 55 page you see there is another literal, string literal. So these two we have discussed, character literals. There is another literal, string literal, which has to be put inside the double quote. Any character can be put inside a string literal, whether it is ABCD in small, ABCD in capital, 0, 1, 2, etc. Okay, or these type of symbols. Okay, backslash N, right? So anything can be put inside this, any character. So here backslash N is regarded as a single character. This is single character, B is a single character, C is a single character, backslash N is a single character, right? Though it is looking like two characters. Next, separators. Many separators are there. Number one is parenthesis, bracket. Parenthesis is in the function, bracket is in an expression, right? Curly bracket in the array, curly bracket is used in the array, curly bracket also used in the block. Okay. Square bracket is used for array declaration, and square bracket is also used for array accessing the member, right? Accessing the member. Semicolon is put in the every line end as well as every line end and as well as for statement. For in the for block, in the for parenthesis it is used, right? Comma is used for declaring many variables of same type, as well as in the for block. In the for any in the initialization place or in the updation place, right? To keep more, to more initialization, more updation to keep. Understood? Then dot is used for system dot, obj dot, check function. So dot is a member of operator. It is used to refer to a function of a particular class or particular object belonging to a particular class, right? So then concept of data types. These are two types of data types. One is primitive, another is the reference. Primitive 6, 8 are there. Okay, byte short, int long, float double, char boolean. Okay, this much are there. Composite or a reference is using them. Composite or reference variable uses the primitive variables. Like a class student is the reference. Okay, when we create a class, we create a reference variable, right? It uses many things, roll number, mark, etc. So here it is giving in more details about the numeric primitive types. More details it is given. Okay, there what they have normally, primitives data types have their range. Which range the value can, their value comes in which range? Number 2, how many bits? Each value will take how many bits from the memory. Then range and bits. Okay, how many bits is the size, and that which numbers are possible, that is the range. Possible numbers are in the minus side as well as plus side. Everybody has this, from byte to all the numeric variables, numeric data types have this. Okay, negative side, positive side. No question of unsigned here. Unsigned is only available in C and C++, right? Unsigned, only positive numbers is available in C and C++. Here, all the 6 numeric data types are having negative and positive both. Only 2 data types, Boolean, are having only true false, and a character is having character, only a single character can be stored, and that is also character. You can see here in page 59. Okay, in page 59, that is also having 16 bits. That takes 16 bits, and Boolean variable takes page 59. Char takes 16 bits. Boolean takes 8 bits. Okay, in the memory. Okay, and char, you see its range is there 0 to 65535. This is only the unsigned one here, and Boolean true false. Okay, characters don't have any negative side, right? Char has no negative side, only positive side, and Boolean has only 2 values, right? And you see in page number 60, there is a reference type. Reference type is shown here. Reference type means a class. Whenever you are creating a class, you are creating a reference type. Class student, class person, class date. Okay. Who can be a candidate for a reference type? Normally, this maybe it should not have a main function. Otherwise, it is a a candidate for the reference type. If there is a main function in any class, it is called the driver class. The driver class means the that class will be written as public. Maybe all other classes may not be public, but the driver class must be public. Understood? And it should have, because it has the main function. And the name of the file will be under its name. And in one file, you can have many classes also. Okay. So next thing we will learn about the variables. Okay. Wait. But now I will tell you some questions. Some questions, right? You just you read from where you left.